This is Repair. How may I help you?
Hello, I have a problem with my laptop and I was wondering how you work.
What seems to be the problem?
My hard drive doesn't start up.
You mean okay, what was the last thing that happened to you, to the laptop? When was the last time it worked?
Today, about an hour ago, I started it up and then when I tried to start it up again, it didn't work, it didn't start up.
Oh, okay. So right now if you push the start button, the power button, it wouldn't power on?
No.
Alright, well the way I work is you can bring the computer to my shop, or I will go on site and repair it. What would you like me to do?
I guess I'll bring it in.
Alright, did I work on your computer before?
No, and I was wondering how much is it?
Alright, I charge 85 an hour, which is prorated, so you're getting charged on a 15 minutes. Hello?
Hello.
You called in for this laptop?